protection from abuse order apparently provoked 3 deaths. That is one question that remains a week after police say 22-year-old Ricky Shannon was served with a PFA, then drove directly from Altoona to Mount Joy and shot 4 people, killing one of them. In the ensuing high-speed chase with police, Shannon and the 19-year-old woman who filed that protection from abuse order were dead. In the PFA, the 19-year-old wrote how she feared Shannon would kill her. Magisterial District Judge Miles Bixler of Columbia, Lancaster County granted her the PFA, but did not require Shannon to hand over his weapons, which is a common thing judges do in cases like this. We asked a former police chief and current York College criminal justice professor, Lisa Layden, if that was a mistake.
But you have to have that in the court order for police to be able to start seizing that property. And in this case, that just didn't happen.
Well, we've asked the judge for comment. He has not responded. Professor Layden says if you ever need a PFA, it is a good idea to tell the judge specifically if the perpetrator has weapons.